This is an example of a question from 3.2 where we have a definite integral. We know that it's a definite integral because we have limits a equals -2 and b equals 2 attached to the integration symbol. So it's a definite integral. The definite integral from -2 to 2 of -4t to the third plus 9t minus 9 dt. As this is a definite integral, our final answer will be a number. But the first step to getting there is to calculate the indefinite integral. So I'll drop the numbers, -2 and 2, for the moment. And when we write the indefinite integral of -4t to the third plus 9t minus 9 dt, what we mean is the antiderivative. And so in the first step, this is what we need to do, is find the antiderivative. And so this is equal to -4 times the integral of t to the third dt plus 9 times the integral of t dt minus the integral of 9 dt. And then we go along here term by term, so to speak, like so, -4. Here we have to take the exponent t to the third, add 1 to it, and divide by the exponent, 1/4 t to the fourth. Plus 9, similarly here we have t to the first. So we need to add 1 to the exponent. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we get 1 over 2, t to the 2. The derivative of constant is that constant times t. A constant being 9 times t. When we are using an antiderivative to ultimately evaluate a definite integral, we don't need to write the plus c. So this antiderivative becomes -t to the fourth plus 9/2 t squared minus 9t. We'll call that capital F of t. That's the first step, is to do the antiderivative. But remember, this is a definite integral, and the final answer is a number. The way we proceed in the second step to get what we want, the definite integral from -2 to 2 of -4t to the third plus 9t minus 9 dt, is to evaluate capital F, which we've just found, the function up above, of b, which is the number 2, minus capital F of a. And so this would be equal to -2 to the fourth plus 9/2, 2 squared, minus 9 times 2. So right there, what we did was take the number 2 and plug it in to the antiderivative capital F of t. Now from that, we need to subtract what we get when we plug in the number -2 to the antiderivative. So that will be minus, in parentheses, -2 to the fourth plus 9/2 times -2 squared minus 9 times -2. So this is a lot of calculation to do, and I would definitely say let's take out a calculator and do this. And that turns out to be -36.